Okay. So, tonight's giveaway, by the way, is this really nice Ronald Acuna PSA 10 1 of 1. It's a nice card. All right, guys. This is your case. Let me just this bad boy open right here. Grab out the first box, and just like that, we're in business. All right, box number 1. Bam. Bam. Cisco, Mike Trout, and Chris Stratton purple auto for the Giants. Chris Stratton purple auto. Gurriel refractor. McCutchen refractor. Breyvic Valera. Breyvic Valera for the Cardinals. It's your second auto. Justin Verlander to 299 for the Astros. Giolito to 99 for the White Sox. Justin Turner. Rowdy Reed for the Nationals. So we've got 2 autos left. Anthony Banda for the D-backs. Scott Kingery refractor. That's a nice card. Andrew Miller for the Cleveland Indians. Ohtani. Aaron Judge. Nicky Delmonico, refractor auto for the White Sox. Aaron Judge prism. Domingo Santana, Manny Machado, Dominic Smith, and that is box number 1. All right, guys, so we've got Aaron Judge, Nicky Delmonico, Ohtani, Kingery refractor, Andrew Miller, Banda, Rowdy Reed, Giolito, Justin Verlander, Valera, and Chris Stratton. Oh, shit. There's a whole nother pack. How'd you guys let me skip a pack? What's up with you guys? Glaber, Inciarte. Oh, I guess you guys knew there wasn't nothing in it. All right. That is box number 1.